So far we discussed many things, right? So this monitoring tool for L1 or L0, so most of the people working on this monitoring tool only. Okay. Of course, you came from Linux background, but still project manager and team leads are keeping you, placing you in the monitoring team only. Okay. What is their job? The name itself telling that there will be a there will be monitoring job. Okay, so what they are monitoring means they will monitor all the servers. Okay, inside servers, what are the main things are running, guys? Either application or database. Correct. So the monitoring, what they will monitor means the utilization of the resources, utilization of our server resources. That is the thing they are monitoring. So even yesterday I explained how many servers in your project means you should tell around 3000 servers. Fine. So normally server what it contains, what main thing running inside the server, definitely either application or database, whatever. Okay. So your application is running inside the server. What are the main resources of the server is CPU, memory, then hard disk. Okay. Directly we are not monitoring hard disk in the form of file system we are monitoring. Okay, and network adapters like NIC card, how input output transactions. Okay, input output transactions, IO. Okay, fine. These are the main resources. Along with these resources utilization, your application also people are monitoring. So how to, so CPU haven't discussed, right? I will explain now. Okay, so memory, hard disk, this and all we discussed already. How to check the utilization of the memory? Anybody? Very good. Free is the command, full command is free -h. Okay, there might be other options also, -m, -g, these and all. Okay, so this is the command which displays your memory utilization details. So there are two types of memories, primary and secondary. That is different story. So utilization, how to check means free command, free -h or free -m, free -g, whatever you can. Fine. In the same way, hard disk, file system. How to check the utilization of the file system? df command, df-h. Okay. So which will display your file system utilization details. In the percentages it will show. In the same way, CPU, you have a SAR command, or most of the people will use the top command. Simply you can execute top. I will go and execute now. We will see. So these are the things. Fine. If you are using only one server or single digit servers means, then simply you can log in the server, you can execute this and all, then you will come to know utilization of about your server. But let's think about, there are 3000 servers. Then will you go each and every server and do execute of these commands? What, Harish? Will you go and do that? So it won't make any sense. Then that is the reason in the real time we are using the monitoring tool. Okay. So in the real time we are using the monitoring tool. Fine. So no need to log in each and every server. There is a monitoring server. Okay. This is also one of the server where your main monitoring tool is running, like your master monitoring tool, monitoring application is running. Okay. So monitoring application. Okay. Like Grafana, very popular one. You can remember. Okay. So monitoring this main application is running in the one server. This is also like a web application. Okay, you can go and access this with the Grafana dashboard URL. What is the port number of the Grafana? Can anybody go and Google it, guys? What is the port number of the Grafana? Quickly, anyone do Google? In other hand, you have all your non-prod servers. Okay, which means dev, QA, UAT, blah blah. All other servers. Okay, all other servers. You just go and install the Grafana agent. That's it. Okay, no need to. This is the master server. So here Grafana agent, you just install the agent here. Okay, which agent? Grafana agent. This agent, it will gather all the information like your CPU, memory, okay, file system, network, all other information it will gather. It will pass to the your Grafana master server. That's it. So here you can simply https:// Grafana hostname. Okay, what is the port number, guys? 3000. That's it. You just go on the dashboard. That's it. Execute this URL. So here you will see all information about your servers. That's it. This is the monitoring job. Okay. Along with your services, the CPU monitor, CPU memory, file system, network, along with your applications also. Application information also should be configured. That's it. Okay. No need to wherever your Grafana agent running, that's all servers information available in your master server. That's it. You simply access the Grafana dashboard, then you will come to know your server utilization. That's it. Fine. So here the Grafana dashboard, how it look like means, let's assume there is a one server, app server, okay, so which is 100% disk, okay, 100% file system full, let's assume. Then the agent will communicate to your master Grafana server, then it will generate one alert. Okay, hey master server, this is my server which is having host name and IP address, and inside there is a file system called /oracle got 100% full. Okay, then this master server, okay, receives the alert from the agent, then it will display in the dashboard. How it look like means, okay, so your alert, first it should have host name, okay, or IP address, the target server, wherever the utilization is high, okay. Then type of the alert. What is the type? CPU or memory, okay, or file system, or some other application, whatever, okay. What type of alert? This is the file system type alert, okay. Then utilization details, okay, how much percentage, like 70 percentage or 80 percentage or 99 percentage, okay. Then severity, okay. What is the severity? Extreme high, which means 99%, okay. So let me write in the colors, okay. So high severity means this is the one, extreme high or critical, okay. So extreme critical, which means 99 percentage, okay. Then normal critical, critical, okay, it means 90%, okay. Then major, major means maybe 80 percentage, okay. Then minor, okay, still we have time to resolve, okay, like 70 percentage. These kind of types it will show. If it is a critical means, definitely immediately you have to go and take the necessary actions, okay. This is the severity. Then normal other information like date and time, okay. When it happened, at what time, at what time, that's it, okay. So these are the dashboards looks like. If you see, if you so and so server, okay, so and so server having file system issue, severity is a critical, then immediately you have to go and take the actions, okay. So 90% you won't monitor on the non-prod, my bad. So 100% people are monitoring the production servers only, okay, like prod and dr, okay. So you can ignore non-prod, nobody monitoring the non-prod, but of course few environments, few projects people are monitoring, but production, okay. So on the server, so on so type, how much utilization, severity, and there is a description also about the alert, what type of alert, okay. Hey user, some description, hey user, so on so file system slash oracle, okay. So got full, some default information about the alert, and there is some generic resolutions also, okay. What are the actions you need to take, some resolutions also, okay. So this is the monitor monitoring tool dashboard looks like. This and all why I am telling now, These are the interview questions. Okay. So if they want to if they want to get more information from you, okay, so if they are expecting more from you means then that time they will expect they will ask these kind of questions. Okay, so that's the reason try to remember. You can go and search in a YouTube channel also, many videos are available. Okay, this Grafana, right, not only for the this utilization of your resources, it will looks for the application things also. Okay, so how many people are accessing application, how much load, how much burden on the application. Okay, in the back end definitely the hardware resources only getting utilized. Okay, but along with this application hardware things also it will monitor. And as a Linux administrator, if it is a CPU, memory or any hardware related means then you have to take care. Okay, so you have to take care of that alert. If it is application related means then simply you can inform to the application team, hey developer, hey lead, hey development lead. Okay, so on so server having this alert, and the alert type is CPU utilization, how much, 99%, extreme critical, so immediately take the actions. Okay, so likewise they will inform, and necessary actions they are taking care. Okay, that's it. It's the monitoring tool. Fine. So as I told, L0 L1 many people, okay, working on these monitoring tools only. Two of my students got placed in one company. Their job is only monitoring, that's it. And this monitoring, right, 24 by 7, each and every minute you have to watch the big dashboard, that's it. In office, right, this URL they will log in into one big screen like your television. Okay, LED TV should be, so there you have to monitor all these alerts. Of course you can access from your laptops also, but if they keep in the TVs means, so everybody will keep an eye on the TV. So that's the reason they will set up with the televisions in the office premises. Okay, any questions? All good. Let me log in my EC2. There are other monitoring tools also. Okay, but Grafana is a very popular now. Prometheus is there. Many tools are there, guys. Give me a minute. I am logging into my AWS. So I will show you this top command. Okay, for CPU. So this is also interview question. Okay, do you know about top command? How to check the CPU utilization? Fine. Once we done with this monitoring, I will explain. ticketing tool. Okay, there is a similar name, ticketing tool, monitoring tool, but lot of difference is there. How I am giving the tasks, guys, in our course? How I am sharing the things, class notes or review things under WhatsApp. What, Ishwar? Book. Good, you said good. Okay. So in the real time, anybody knows how people are giving the tasks? Anybody? You are the intelligent man. Balu, directly they will use ticketing tool. Very good. Of course. I don't know. I am unable to access my server. I'm trying with public IP only. Okay. Fine. Okay. So currently my server, we know right how to check the background processes, ps-ef command. Okay. So most of the time we are using ps-ef grep -i, that service name. Okay, like Java. Definitely the applications are developed by Java programming language only. Okay, most of the applications built by Java only. So you might be executing this command only in the real time. Okay, so let me start Jenkins. First let me check the status. Invalid, inactive, sorry. Let me start it. Okay, even Jenkins also developed by, built by Java only. Okay, many applications are running with Java only in the real time. Okay, it is running. Now let me check the process. See, this also running by Jenkins user. This is the process ID and this is the process, and the port number is 8080. Okay, fine. Okay, completely used. Okay, I have configured the swap. Let it be. Fine, it's fine. Now let me check for the CPU. There is a share command to get more information about, to get utilization details about your CPU. Okay, so 215, what does it mean? SAR is the command. 2 means this is the time interval. Okay, how many seconds, how frequently you want to get your CPU utilization details. Every 2 seconds. This is the time interval. And this one, how many lines you want to. Okay. If I give 2 and 5, let me give 2 and 10. Every 2 seconds until 10th line, it will display the utilization details. Observe. Oh, command not found. Let me install. There is no such command. There is no such package. Can anyone Google it for me, guys? In RHEL, how to install the SAR command, respective package. Okay, you can Google me. Later tell me. I forgotten the package name. Fine. Okay, so just remember SAR command, it will display the every 2 seconds until 10th line, up to 10 lines it will display. Okay, so another very important command is top command. Top in the sense, what are the processes, top processes, what are the processes consuming more either CPU or memory, so those process will display. Yes, sure. Yes, systat, very good. OEM list systat, very good guy. So this is the package, let me install. Fine. Now let me verify. Yeah, now it is available. SAR 2 and 10. Okay, see, CPU. Okay, ideal means free. Okay, almost 98% CPU is free, nothing running. That's the reason. Okay, sometimes 93. Okay, so almost 90, above 90 free means then fine. So nothing burden on your server. Okay, so sometimes it will be 0. Okay, it will 0 means then your processes consuming the more CPU. Okay, even this is and all no one can ask. Okay, but better safe, you can go and explore these columns also in the SAR command. What are these columns? User, nice, system, IO, steel. Okay, you can go and verify. Okay, this is the SAR command. Now, if I give only 2 and 5 means it will give only every 2 seconds up to 5 lines. That's it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will fit from the average. Average also it is showing. So 97% is the average ideal state. It means free CPU. So 95% CPU is available. So no load. Okay. So now top command. So let me execute the top command. Observe. This is like your in the Windows, right? If you do the right click and task manager, right? In the same way, top also in the Linux, top is the command. Okay. So here how many apps are running, what are the CPU utilization, what is the memory, okay, all other information, how many background process, all the things running, right? Okay, the same way in the Linux, top is the command. Observe the screen. See, this is your uptime details, how many users connected, what is the load average, okay, and how much CPU utilization. 98% is ideal, how much memory. It will display both CPU and memory utilization details. Along with that, what are the root processes, top processes? Okay, what are the top processes running your system? So Jenkins somewhat utilizing. Okay, so Jenkins is somewhat utilizing your CPU. Fine. So this is the thing, guys. So now definitely here, definitely most of the cases Java processes only running your servers. That's it. Java process only consuming more CPU and memory, and the process it will display. What is the process ID? Process name. What is the command? What command basis it is running? Okay. So likewise it will display. Then you can accordingly work around it. That's it. Now I want to come back from the top command means simply press the Q. That's it. Okay. This is the top command. Very, very, very important. Definitely you can expect a question from interviewer. Okay. Clear? Top command. Fine. Now ticketing tool. Okay. If someone asks you what is your team count, what will you reply, guys? First of all, are you understand the question? Guys, do you understand the question? What is your team count means? How many people are there in your team? What will you reply? Hmm? 8 members, or you can tell 12 members, or you can tell 9 members. More than 5, should be more than 5, because 3000 servers, all servers are running by 24 by 7, right? Okay, you should support 24 by 7 only among yourself, your team. Out of 12 and 8, there might be a leads, they won't follow the shifts, they will come in the general shifts, your leads, senior people. Okay, then how your manager assigning the task to you? So nowadays there is no anyone to assign the task. Okay, so main, definitely people are following the ticketing tool. Very famous tool is service now. Yes, now it means service now. Okay, and there is a remedy also, IBM remedy, and some nowadays Jira. This is also ticketing tool, Jira, but you can tell service now. Okay, it's pretty easy only. So here there are many teams, right? App team, DB team, DevOps team, network team, storage team, okay, and few others. So everybody using ticketing tool. Then how to assign a ticket? There is a request called user creation. Okay, so this is the request from development team, application team. So this guy wants to create, who will create the users, guys, in the real time? Who will create? Which team will create in the servers? See, I forgot to write our team, OS team. Okay, so definitely OS team, because OS only, root user only can create the local users, right? So OS team. Then how to assign this ticket? Okay, so on so thing incident. Okay, 1043 he raised, this is the number. Okay, now this guy assign this ticket to the OS team. How? Okay, that is the reason each and every team maintaining some group names, groups in the service now. Okay, the naming and all just ignore. They will maintain the groups in the service now. That is the ticketing tool. In the service now they will maintain the, this is also service now link. They will provide service now link, service now dashboard, access and all. In your initial time they will provide access on the thing. The moment you can open, right, first summary, then description. Okay, let's assume I want to create a user. Okay, simply create a user called Java. This is the username, this is the summary. Then description, hi Unix team or Linux team, we need a user called Java, where in so on so server. Okay, like UK, this is the server name, guys. Okay, app 007, this is the host name. Okay, that's it. Thanks. Likewise they will describe. Okay, so these are sufficient, right? Username called Java and host name, fair enough to create, fulfill this task. Okay, along with summary and description, right? Here also requester. Who is the requester? Okay, app team, right? That guy name, like Karthik is the requester. @.com. His email ID will come, or his employee ID will come. This is the requester. Then date and time automatically will sync. The moment you submit the request, right, automatically it will fill when he raised. Then here also severity, low or high, very high or critical. Okay, so severities and codes also will be there. So these are the major things. Then important thing, assigned group. This must and should fill the this assignment group. So here what will be the assignment group, guys? Unix team. So this will be the Unix mint. 1 second, guys. Okay, so you must and should fill this assignment. Then only this ticket, right, whatever you are raising, right, that will be going under their queue. That's it. Okay, that's it. Then you can go on to submit. Then here it will be. So likewise we are getting the request. So minimum in a day there is no limitations to work, guys. Okay, no one will restrict you. Hey, only do 5 tickets per day, only do 10 tickets. There, no one, nobody can go and here assignee also. Okay, after assignment group, assignee also. So assignee, whoever interested to work on this ticket, right? Go and assign. Like Ishwar is from Unix team. Okay, so so and so mail ID, he will assign the ticket. Then he has to go and work this ticket and fulfill. Once done, right? So first he will go and assign and state. This is also important. Initially, it will be open state. It means nobody assigned. Okay. Then assigned state, which means the ticket is assigned on someone. Okay. Then resolution. Resolution means he worked on the ticket. Finally, requester. Okay. So who is the requester? This guy. He is happy with this fulfillment. Then he said, okay, all good from my side. Then he will come. Ishwar will come and close the ticket. That is closed. That's it. Okay. These are the states of your tickets. Okay. So likewise, now I will give one summary. We will fill. Okay. I will write another ticket. Heading should be extending hard disk. Okay. First, clearly read the sentence. This is the request. Extending the hard disk. Who will work, guys? In the real time, can you guess who will work on this ticket? Very good. Then others. Sadia. Someone told infrastructure team, IT team. He said, database team. Hmm. Quickly, Balu. Balu also database team. Harish, Anil, Sadia. Quickly, come on, guys. You also DB team. Anil. Hmm? You think you don't know. Very good, man. Whatever it is, man, whoever requested doesn't matter. So type of the ticket summary they mentioned like extending the hard disk, so on so server. So who will work? Whom should I assign this task? Whom should I assign this ticket? Tell me, give me any one answer. Anil said he think he don't know. Hmm. Harish, give any one answer. Harish, platform team. Okay. So in the LVM file system creation, all these things we discussed, right? So let's assume our scenario, we are using AWS. How we are extended the hard disk, guys, from AWS console, correct? So volumes, EC2 dashboard volumes, create a volume, then attach, correct? This is what I have done, right? because this is the EC2 vision, EC2 instance I am using in the cloud. But in the real time, how server will get hard disk, extended hard disk. There is a one team called, I told already, VMware team. These guys will extend. Even I explained with a real time example also. I given the cost details also. See, that is the reason you are not watching my videos. You are not up to date. Okay, at least now also you can remember. Fine. So this is the VMware ticket, VMware request. Okay, the same thing. So requester, your name, date and time, automatically it will come. Severity, based on your request type. If your manager asks you to go and put high premiums, you have to keep. Okay. Then assignment group, who will come? VMware team will come. Then summary, same summary you can keep. Extending the hard disk in the so and so server. Hi VMware team, we need hard disk, extra hard disk on the server because our application utilization is very high. Okay, so every day utilization is increasing, so on so things you can mention. Then give the description about your request, then rise. Immediately that guy will send a mail, hi requester, get the approval, cost approval, because hard disk is not that much easy, right? So he will ask the approval details from your managers or server owners. Cost center approval required for this activity. Okay, like this. Let me write another type of request. Okay, enable 8080 port. Now tell me, whom should I assign this task? Harish? Very good. Pavani? Balu said network team. Ishwar, Pavani, Sadia, Anil, don't network. Sadia told OS team. Very good. Hmm. Don't wait for my announcement, guys. Quickly answer me. Anil and others. Network team. At least I am happy with a few answers. See, the question, the request enabling the port. This is kind of network thing, right? Okay, so where they will open firewall, in the firewall they will open this port. So who is maintaining the firewall? Network team, that's it. Okay, what Sadia? You told OS team. Okay, platform team, OS team, all are same only. Platform team, OS team, Linux team, Unix team, all are same. Those not. Okay, keep remember. That is what I am telling, man. Platform team. Yeah, Sadia. That is what, madam. First, who will enable? Network team will enable. After that, you can come and verify it. What is the command to verify the port number? netstat INAN. Okay, so you should remember all the things. So network team, platform team means that is platform team, Unix team, Linux team, all are same. OS team. Okay, this one. Remember at least. Now I will give one more example. Okay. Hi team. We want to create a table and execute following query. Okay, blah 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 query they will give. Now tell me, I will start with Pavani. Now tell me, whom should I assign this task? Hmm? Are you there? First of all, yes, she is there. Very good. OST. Hmm. Varlakshmi, Harish, Ishwar, Balu, go ahead. Team. Hmm. Database DB both are same man. Hmm. Balu, Sadia, Anil, Sadia, Anil. Very good. Okay. So creation tables, query executions and all DB team will take care. Okay. That's it. Fine. Then what is our task means? So far whatever we practiced, right? Create a user, OS team task. File system creation, OS team task. File system extending, OS team task. Configure the IP address, OS team. Okay. Configure the some application services, OS team. Restart the service, OS team. Shut down the server, OS team. Reboot the server, OS team. All these OS team tasks. Okay. First, you should go and read the summary. What is the request? And you can go on the description also. Thoroughly, you have to watch all these things, read properly, then understand, then accordingly you have to perform the things. That's it. Okay, fine. So in the real time, in the ticketing tool also, normally we are calling as the incidents. Okay, incidents, or you can call ticket also, not an issue. But pure technical word incidents only. The numbers it will start like INC. Okay, these INC are on non-prod servers. Then what about prod means? Prod, there is a word called change request. Okay, short form is CR. This is for the prod servers. Okay, so this I will tell you later, but not required for you. But at least you can remember incidents. Okay, incidents. Fine. Any questions? And there will be a no, there won't be any guy to allocate the tickets, guys. Assign the tickets on your time. You just go and open service now. Go to under your OS team. Okay, so you can filter what are the tickets are under OS team. Likewise, you can make a filter. Then you can check the open tickets. What are the open tickets and what are the assigned tickets? Assigned means your team, maybe your team guy is working on the ticket. Okay, and first you can go and take the open tickets. If open is 0, okay, then go and check one by one assigned tickets and check the status whether it is completed or open or under review. Okay, if it is not completed, just assigned means only you can go and pick it up. Okay, along with this ticketing tool, right? If it is a high priority, if it is urgent work, then simply people will do the mail also. Okay, your entire team having one DL. Okay, distribution list. It means like a OS level, OS team at the date ibm.com. Likewise, one team DL will be there. The requester, right? He will send the mail to this team DL. Then whoever part of this is like a group, guys. That's it. DL nothing but a group. Okay, so whoever part of this group, those all guys will receive the email. Then accordingly you have to work. That's it. Okay, sometimes you will get a request over emails also. Then you have to ask that guy, hey requester, kindly raise the incident and share the number. Meantime I will work on the ticket, work on the task. That's it. Okay, so that's it. Ticketing tool and monitoring tool. Fine. Any questions? So I will give you what are and all real-time tickets or incidents. Okay, so even you can same explain in your day-to-day activities also. Okay, I will tell you tomorrow day-to-day activities. Okay.